Makaagham na araw, I am Alvie Astronomo, a career scientist in Philippine Nuclear Research Institute. My activities at PNRI include performing simulations of reactor systems and radiation transport. Kasama ng PNRI reactor team, we established the PRR-1 Subcritical Reactor, which is currently the only operating nuclear facility in the country. Ito ay maaaring gamitin for training, education, and research in nuclear science. I am also one of the leading researchers in neutron and reactor physics in PNRI. PNRI is very supportive to women scientists. In fact, most of those in the leadership position are women with inspiring achievements. For women aspiring to pursue a career in science, be creative and diligent with your work, be confident that you can contribute in your unique way for the development of our country. I am Alvie. I am a woman in nuclear science.